Steelmaking used to be about fire and instinct. Now it is about algorithms. Look at ArcelorMittal. They use AI smart furnaces to control heat within 1 degree. They predict breakdowns weeks in advance, saving millions of dollars. But what about small companies? You don't need a huge server. Use Cloud OCR to scan test certificates. It spots fake data instantly. Use AI tracking to predict port delays. Digital transformation is not just for billionaires. It is the new survival skill for every trader. Arm your experience with data.